abantu abino burema ha mibiri yabo nibagira ngu gavumenti okukwatiraho abaana abatine burema mibiri yabo amashomero agarukushomesa abaana abino burema gatungira oburemezi buhango habw'okubura ebikwato.
I am not an albino, but if you take away these glasses from me for 2 hours, I will start getting headache. Why? Because I am struggling to pull the images closer to me.
Take this opportunity to thank you, the Kabuge district, among all the districts in Uganda here, that you are taking, you are coming to teach us, each and every to understand what our role, what we should do like leaders.
Orukiko rutebekanisiibwe ekitongole eky'orukurwanira okutungura omutindo gw'ebyobwegyese aha baana bino burema ha mibiri yabo.
Bakaba binemu abaana babarema ababoojo babiri, abaana babishiki bakaba bari bashatu. Toto yono mu ishomero abamarere primary school bakaba bine abaana bataano bonka. Nodiku yamazire kuyigisha.
Tulaba nti ennamba y'abaana abaliko obulema abagenda ku masomero mu Kamwenge yeeyongedde. Yakwogera ku masomero 3 ge tuyita private school ge tukoleramu. Twatandika n'amasomero ago gonna 3 galina abaana 32.
Enkora egi emanyire nka Inclusive Education kandi obwa hati eshagikirwa ekitongole ekya National Union for Persons with Disability of Uganda.
Ayina obwetaavu bw'okuferwa okulaba mu gavumenti, communities n'ahandi kuranga omwana gwe yabasibwa n'okubaasa kutunga obuheereza bw'ashimikwa n'atunga nk'abaana.
Kyokka abaana abo balina obulema obutakusana. Tulina abaana tulina okuŋŋaano akafeera tumu saatuna ne P5.
So kikazijemesereza kugira ngo abaana bo mutekwe kubanaza y'isomero. Tuyine dormitories instead tukakwata classrooms ezimwe twazikora dormitories abana baraho. Cyo mwayisanga abana babaraho kugira ki aho kusomera.
Gasha kwa Anthony Twine.